This video shows how to use ACDP to add VW MQB48 smart keys. First, we need to remove instrument cluster from car, open cluster shell, and check the chip model. Power on the ACDP. Open the ACDP app. The device number is displayed in the top right corner, indicating that the device is connected. Click VW. Click VW MQB IMMO. Click MQB48. Click ICP Read Dashboard. Choose the option based on the chip model on the instrument pan. We take D70F3529 as an example. Click Help for MQB82 interface board. Use interface board, connect the device with the instrument properly as the diagram. Click MQB82 interface board. Click OK. Click OK. Pin detection is good. Click Continue. The chip info is correct. Click Continue. Reading data, please wait. The data was read successfully. Click Continue. Click OK. Save all backup data of the chip. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Execution complete. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner twice. Reinstall the instrument panel into the vehicle and confirm that the vehicle is functioning properly. Click IMMO. Click Step 1. Help for OBD identification. Connect the ACDP to the vehicle's OBD2 port properly. Click Step 1. OBD Identify. Click OK. Turn on the switch and click to continue. Recognized vehicle info is correct. Click OK. OBD Identify info finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Step 2. Obtain IMMO data. Click Load Meter Data Calc IMMO. Click OK. Prepare the ICP reading of the meter chip data. If the meter has an external EEPROM 95320-95128 chip, also need to prepare the external EEPROM data. Click Continue. Click OK. Select the NEC chip data for the instrument. When selecting chip data, pay attention to the backup date, time, and chip model. Confirm whether the meter need to load external EEPROM 95320-95128 data. The meter does not have an external EEPROM, and does not require loading. Click No. Click Continue. Calculate IMMO data. Click OK. Save IMMO data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. IMMO info is correct. Click OK. Obtain IMMO data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner to go back to the previous level. Click Step 3. Make dealer key. We are adding keys. Click Add key. Click Help for duplicate the key option. Connect ACDP to PCF key adapter. Click Duplicate the key. Click OK. Place the work key correctly on the PCF key adapter. Click Continue. Confirm the key info. Click Continue. Click OK. Select IMMO data. When select IMMO data, please pay attention to the backup date and time on file name. IMMO info is correct. Click Continue. Click OK. Save sync data. Click OK. Note, the new key should be a blank key that ID can be changed, and the blank key has been changed to the ID of the lost key. Place the blank key that has been changed to the original car's lost key ID on the PCF key adapter correctly. Click Continue. Key info is correct. Click Continue. Select your vehicle manufacturer. Here we choose VW. Click Continue. Programming key data is about to begin and forbidden to power off or unplug the device during operation. Click Continue. Make dealer key finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner twice. Click Step 4. OBD Learn key. Click OK. Click Continue. The read system info is correct. Click Continue. Click OK. Select IMMO data. Select a file with an IMMO name. Please pay attention to the backup date and time, which is on the file name. Enter the number of keys to be learned. We are going to learn 2 keys. Click Continue. Do not turn off the ignition during learning key. If the other keys are too close to the induction coil, may cause learning failure. Put the first key close to or insert the induction coil and click Continue. The number of keys learned 0. Click Continue. The number of keys learned 1. Put the second key close to or insert the induction coil and click Continue. Completed learning 2 keys. Click OK. Click OK. The Smart Key Edition is complete. Please try on the car and verify if the added key functions is normally. Thank you for watching.